हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ आन्या। तो आज मैं आपको अपनी इस यूट्यूब वीडियो में कुछ साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स दिखाने वाली हूँ और कुछ जादुई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स भी। तो सबसे पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हमें चाहिए कैंडल, मैच स्टिक्स, 2 बैलून्स। एक बैलून में होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा पानी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Balloon without water.
This is the balloon with water. So let's see if it burst. You can see this, it is not bursting. Instead of this, वो काला हो जा रहा है. Second experiment. So for this we will be needing water, tissue paper, 1 glass, a matchstick with a holder so that it can't attach, and 2 phones. So let's start.
Let's dip the tissue in the water. Now let's place it on the tray. Let's keep the matchstick on it. Let's lighten up the matchstick. What? The matchstick बुझ गई?
So here you saw that it got lifted up. So it's also done. So here's the third experiment. In this plate you can't see anything. So now I will be taking the paper and see how it gets. Ooh, cool. Ooh, cool one. Cool one. And for the second last time. And the last. Magic. So done. So these were my experiments that I did today. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. घंटा जरूर से दबा देना. Bye.